Hi everyone. Today we this coffee using coffee maker.
This is the water tank. Then this is where we'll put the coffee.
The coffee.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then there's also for the there.
This is it.
Oh, you put it there. Scoop.
Coffee.
Coffee scoop. It has. Let's check.
Yeah.
There's also 2 to 3 for the
For the
specialty coffee. 4 to 6. There. Okay, put it there.
No, you are sure.
This is the coffee. You put 2. Here. Oh, again, one more. Okay. Good job. Okay. We will get this.
Yes.
And then push this one inside. There. And there. Okay. And now we'll start brewing.
Yes. And the big one.
And then we'll just choose the cup since we're using cup. And then we'll put rich. We'll try rich. Okay. And then we'll wait.
Wow.
It's done, but it's not done. We're gonna wait for the sound. Okay. Did you hear sound? Okay, and then you close this one. There, very good. And then
You put in the mixing machine.
okay, but we'll no, it's beeping because it's done.
This is a beep.
And then we will put the creamer. Mommy will get the creamer for it. Pour the creamer there. And then let's make 2. It's so full. And then next, wait. We will put it there and then mix. Oopsie. Is it so full? Oh. That's it.
No.
Yay! We're done.
Yeah.
And then we will just twist this so that it will wash.
All 5.